How are you all doing? Hope you all are fine. Okay, so enjoying a lot with your parents and with your friends, right? Okay, at the same time, don't forget to concentrate on your studies. Okay, and thank you for watching all our videos and following it. And who are not taken the books, please do collect the books from school management. And if you have already taken the book, please make sure that while you are attending the class, please be ready with your books. Okay, children. So in this session, I just want to tell you the basic grammar. Okay, so about the English alphabets. Okay, we all know the alphabets, right? So okay, when we learn the alphabets, that makes us to write the words and to speak out, right? So that alphabets will help us in such a way. So in today's class, just we will revise what is the letters and what the alphabets and what is the alphabetical order. Okay, and also at the same time, today we are going to learn about the sentence, how the sentence makes and what is the meaning of sentence. Okay, let's begin the class. Okay, so be ready with your books. Okay, yes. So see the English alphabets. So let us know the capital letters and small letters. We have already know the capital letters and small letters, right? So in English alphabets, we use letters to write and speak. Just now I said, we use letters to write and speak words. We have 26 letters of the English alphabets. So complete how many letters we have in English? A to Z, 26. Okay, so these 26 letters are written in the alphabetical order. So these letters are written in the alphabetical order. Let us see the capital letters first. Okay, how we have to write the capital letters. So already you have know that letters, but just look here. Capital letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are called capital letters. Now let us see the small letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are called small letters. So in these 26 letters, we have consonants and vowels. So let us see what are consonants and what are vowels. We have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Let us see what are they. Okay. So we call the letters A, E, I, O, U as vowels. So these 5 letters are called vowels. Okay. A, E, I, O, U. The other 21 letters are called consonants. So we have 21 consonants and 5 vowels. Okay. Now let us see. We have 26 letters in the English alphabet. So in total we have 26 alphabets. That are in that 26 alphabets we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Okay, together we have 26 alphabets. And in that, in which order they have? It is an ABC order, right? So that ABC order is called alphabetical order. So this order is called alphabetical order. Okay. And see. Let us know that capital letters are used at the beginning of the new sentences. So whenever we start the sentence, remember that the every sentence the first letter of the sentence should be begin with capital letter. Okay, let us see the examples now. See, lion is a wild animal. So this is a sentence. Okay, so see, at the beginning they started with capital letters. Okay, now let us see the second one. Rama is my brother. We are playing football. And where is your school? Lotus is the national flower. So these all sentences are begin with capital letters. Did you observe it? See here, lion, Rama, we, where, lotus. So these letters are begin with capital letters. And let us know that I refers to ourselves. It is always written in capital letters. So I, when we are saying about ourselves, I will refers to a capital letters whenever. Okay, so let us see. So we know that the names of the people, places, festival and days of the week and months. Okay, months of the year begin with capital letters. See, people, place, and what is my name? Yes, people, what is my name? Florence. So Florence, while writing my name, I will begin my name with capital letters. Okay, and places. So I am from Hyderabad. So Hyderabad, the starting letter I will begin with H. Okay, and festival's name. And while we are writing the festival's name, like Christmas is begin with C. Okay, the capital letters. And days of the week and months of the year. So days of the week means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, the day of the, whenever we begin the day, when we are writing the day, we will start the begin letter with capital letter. And the months means January, February. Okay, these months names also we will begin with capital letters. Okay, children. Now, what is meant by sentence? Now let us know what is meant by sentence. We call a sentence which have a group of words that make sense. So we call the sentence that makes a group of words is called a sentence. A complete sentence begin with a capital letter. So when we write the sentence, the complete sentence, when we describe about something, we will write a story. Okay. So in that story, we will begin the sentence which we are completing. That sentence we will begin with capital letter. Okay. So now let us start. Let us write in the practice. Okay. Okay, children. Just now we have seen that see in the digital TV, right? Now let us practice in writing. Okay. So let us first write the capital letters. Okay. So if you have a 4-rule book, so please write how I am writing. Okay. See the lines. Okay. See here, A. These are capital letters. Okay. A, B. See how I am writing. C, D, E, F, G. I am touching 3 lines. Okay. And I am leaving the 3rd line. Okay. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, Okay, I'll write X there. No, here on. X, Y and Z. Okay children? Okay children, now we'll continue writing here itself the small letters. Okay, small letters. Now small letters. Okay, now see here, small letters, when we are writing the small letters, please make sure that you should write only in the middle lines. Okay, see here, sorry, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. While writing G, I am touching the down line. Okay, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So these are called small letters. Okay children, so in total how many alphabets are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. In total we have 26 alphabets. In this 26 alphabets, I said we have, in these 26 alphabets are divided into two sessions. Okay, what are they? Vowels and consonants. And what are the vowels? Yes, we will round it. Okay, we will circle that vowels. A, next letter, yes, E, next I, next O, U. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. So these 5 letters are called vowels and the rest of the remaining letters are called consonants. And how many are there? Consonants? 21. Okay children? So, okay children, just now I said you the sentences. While we start the sentence, we should begin with capital letter. Okay, so I'll show you in the next class and we will do in practice. Okay, so hope you all enjoy this class very well and do practice in your home just now as how I write. Okay, ikkada ela rasano alaga meer inti daggara ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, మీకు రైటింగ్ కూడా చాలా నీట్గా వస్తుంది. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, సో ఈ క్లాస్లో చాలా మీరు నేర్చుకున్నారని అనుకుంటున్నాను. అలాగే నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో మనం ప్రాక్టీస్గా ఇంకా సెంటెన్సెస్ ఎలా చేయాలో ఏంటో ప్రాక్టీస్గా చేద్దాం. ఓకే, సీ యూ ఇన్ ది నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్. హ్యావ్ అ హోమ్ లెర్నింగ్. బాయ్.